Hey, what's up guys? This is Sean from Burly brand. Today we're going to install our Sissy bar that's made to fit a 2004 and up Sportster. First thing, we're going to take some low adhesive tape and just cover up the struts so we don't ding up the paint. Same thing on the other side. Next is going to be to remove the stock fender bolt struts. We're going to make sure to keep all the stock washers and spacers. We're going to reuse those. It might be necessary to jack the bike up to gain access to inside the fender. You might even have to take off the shock as well. So what I like to do is I like to crack them all loose and remove the rear two first. Start inserting in the supplied hardware. Now I have something to work with, and I can pretty much get these by hand. We recommend to use a dab of Loctite on each one of the bolts that we supply. This prevents it from backing out due to any vibration that the exhaust or the motor might cause. You need to make sure you torque down all the fender bolt struts to 18 foot-pounds. Once those are torqued down, you're pretty much ready to hit the road. Any other info? Go to www.burlybrand.com. See you on the road.